Yes. Wala namang qualifications, and may I just also emphasize, hindi lang ito sa pangturista. Pati din sa ating mga locals, mga kakailian natin dito, mga kasama natin dito sa Ilocos. Pwede sila pagarito ka, pwede ka. And I would like also to emphasize that this is for free. The Lenten journey natin, the Calesa Station of the Cross is for free, but they just have to register through the link. May link kami na provide para naman ma-ready namin yung Calesa at saka magbigyan ng equal opportunity yung ating mga Calesa na makapagsakay ng mga bisita at pati mga locals. And hopefully for the locals, we are hoping na magigising ulit yung fondness o di kaya naman yung ano natin na kamalayan natin on the importance of the Calesa, not just as a mode of transport but as a very very significant cultural identity ng ating lugar. And for the tourists, sa mga bisita, ito yung mga moments na para sa amin ay hindi dapat palagpasin pag nandito, dahil ito yung mga bagay na kailangan na ma-experience at kailangan na makita at eventually ma-appreciate at maintindihan kung bakit ganito ang aming pamumuhay, this is our way of life, kung bakit ganito kami as Lawagueños, as Ilocanos, simply because it's a very important part of our cultural identity.